Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to create second layer voice in Musescore 4. First, we add notes by clicking N on the keyboard, and we add notes like this. Okay, and now we add the second layer by clicking N, and we click this, the second voice. We can click Ctrl Alt and 2 and click the notes, and we add the notes. Okay, now we hear the sound by clicking spacebar. So it's very easy. You can do by yourself, and that's an easy and quick tutorial for you. See you on the next video for Musescore 4. Bye bye.